Hi friends, our final year project is share market prediction by using high order possibilities C-means algorithm for big data clustering. As there is a rise in computer technology and social media, big data plays a vital role. Big data is a term consisting of huge sets of data that are so complex. While dealing with traditional application software, it becomes adequate. Some of the challenges in big data are data capturing, storing, analysis of data, searching, sharing, and so on. Clustering is one of the important techniques used for data mining, machine learning, information retrieval, and pattern recognition. The possibilistic C-means algorithm has been widely used for image analysis and useful for getting suggestions from the user or customer. It is sometimes difficult for PCM to produce an accurate result for clustering data, especially in case of heterogeneous amount of data, since it is initially designed for only small structured data. For that purpose, we are using high order PCM algorithm for big data cluster. Our share market prediction is a web application. It is used to find the profit and loss for the customer share based on clustering analysis technique for the particular tickers. Furthermore, cloud servers are employed to improve the efficiency for big data clustering by designing it in a distributed high order possibly Siemens algorithm scheme depending on MapReduce. Let us see an architecture diagram of our project. This is the overall architecture of our project. Through this system, the user can able to take decision about buying stock shares by providing exact information of future share values in the share market. We have created a database using stack details of several companies. Using this information, the system can be clustered. The system can provide accurate share value of a particular company based on clustering technique. Analysis is carried out whether the share is going to hit or flop in the market. After analysis phase, the final obtained output will be given to the user suggestions. At last, user get clear suggestions of buying the respective shares. This project will be helpful to buy the respective shares with a profitable business for the users. Let us see the different modules used in our project. There are 4 modules used in our project. Initially, authentication and authorization, data clustering using C-means, analyzing using MapReduce, and getting suggestions. Authorization and authentication and authorization is used is the important phase of our project. Through this module, the user have to register first, then only he or she has to access the account. While registering, the user can provide the necessary details, whatever the application asked to the user. After authentication authorization, data can be clustered using Siemens algorithm. Cluster analyze group the data objects based on the information found in the data that describes the objects and the relationships. After clustering, the data sent for the analysis phase. Analysis phase is carried out using MapReduce. Although MapReduce is a functional programming paradigm that is well suited to handling parallel processing of huge data sets distributed across a large number of computers. After all this process, the output will be predicted as a clustering report. That report will be sent from the admin to the customer. The suggestion for the research results is based on the information theoretic approaches. Based on the suggestion, the user can able to reduce the customer churn and make the profitable business in the share market. The system, let us see our system requirements. We are using front end, we are using Java JDK and a NetBeans IDE version 8.2. Database connectivity which we are using is MySQL 5.0 and the tool used for the database connectivity is SQL.org. This is our home page of our project. There are 2 login pages. One is admin page and the user login page. Let us go into our user login page. While logging into this page, there is 2 phases. For new users, they need to be signed up by giving their username, password, and the email address. For the registered user, they can directly log in using their username and password. This is our home page of our user login. Let us see here. There are three phases. First one is view price, buy shares, and log out. While clicking on this view price, the customer can able to view the price in which they need to invest or they need to buy the shares. Here there is a company ticker and we can select in which company we are going to buy the shares. There are several companies feeded here for the customer purpose. Let us choose the Airtel and we say and we see the price for the Airtel. It's getting loaded. The price is viewed. The price you are seeing here is calculated based upon the previous day end up share market value. The yesterday's price market ended with 32.7500 for the Airtel. If you are going to buy the share, we need to go to buy shares and we have to give the number of shares we are going to. Before that, we need to once again select the company ticker Airtel, and then we need to give how many shares we are going to invest. Let us give as 10, and the price we are going to invest through this is say as 15, and we are going to give submit. After this, the customer will get the message as transaction successful. After getting transaction successful, the user will wait for the admin suggestions. This is the admin page. We are going to log in here. Admin page is getting login. See here, this is the admin home page. Here, the admin also can able to view the price and do the analysis and predict the share market value and give the customized report to the customer. Here we are going to, the admin also going to view the company price. The same price is viewed in the admin page also. Then through analysis, the admin going to analyze either based upon number of shares or price or both. Then cluster analysis, cluster successfully. This clustered report will be saved in our local disk. See here, cluster and analysis report. Today cluster report is saved here. It is customer 1 got 10 shares. Right. And then the customer will predict the share values. The admin will predict the share values. Let us see for the Airtel we are investing. After giving submit, it will give the automatic price will decrease from this much of today's values. This this report will be sent to the user or customer to decide whether they are going to use this, continue this share or not. This is our coding page. Coding we are using NetBeans 8.2 version. These are the codings we are used. Stock details we are stock detail using this link, and all the stocks we are going to say whatever we are doing, whatever shares we are buying here will be saved in this table data. See here, customer 1 Airtel we are 10 price we have sold it out. That's all. Like this only the user will predict the share market and admin will predict the share market and user will be benefit through this app. Thank you.